Hello students, I am Mrs. Silva and I am the new librarian here at Spring Branch Middle School. Today I'm going to introduce you to a research process called the Big 6. Learning this research process will help you with any research you might tackle this year or in the future. The purpose of today's lesson is to introduce you to the concepts of the Big 6 research model. You will learn how you can use the Big 6 research model to break down research into manageable steps. Once you understand the steps, you will be able to start using this model to research your history project. In addition, you will take a pre-assessment test to see how much you already know about this research process. This lesson meets several standards for students. For the Texas State Standards, this lesson meets ELA 7.12, which focuses on inquiry and research. Students must generate research questions, develop a plan, identify and evaluate sources, and synthesize information. The Common Core ELA Literacy Standard states that students will use a variety of sources to gather information, assess the source's accuracy, and use correct citations. The ISTE Standard 3A indicates that students should use effective research strategies to find accurate information. And finally, the AASL Standard A.4.3 focuses on students making critical choices about the information sources they'll use in their research. The Big 6 is a research model that helps students and adults solve problems, answer questions, and complete research. This research model is a 6-step process that can help you set goals, find accurate, relevant information, and create a final product. We'll be using this model during our research project this fall. Today, you will take a pre-assessment quiz. This quiz is not graded, but it is intended to help us determine what you already know about the Big 6 research model. The quiz is 7 short questions and will take you less than 10 minutes to complete. The quiz is located on BlendSpace. The purpose of today's lesson was to provide a brief introduction to the Big 6 research model. Using this model will help you complete your research project in a systematic, organized way. This lesson meets State, Common Core, ISTE, and AASL standards for research. We also learned a little bit about the Big 6. This research model is a 6-step plan to help you focus your questions, find information, and synthesize it into a final project. Finally, the pre-assessment tool located on BlendSpace will help us determine what you already know about the Big 6 process.